Hello everyone, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. It's a Sudoku Heavy. In today's newspaper on Friday, July the 5th, 2020. This regular Sudoku Heavy. Before I start, I want to count the numbers so I can compare with the Sudoku stars with in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars. So I want to know how many digits numbers are printed in this puzzle. So we have here 2 6 plus 9 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 3 is 14 15 let's count again. 6 9 11 14 plus 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19 20 24. So 24 printed digits. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, this will be a 4 star. With 1 star, 27, 26, 25, 24. Yes. If you compare it with the 4 stars, this is a 4 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. We have a 7 in this row, a 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the second column, this was the third column. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, lucky 7. Alright. How about the number? The number. 3, 6, 2. Alright. Let me think. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And now I think I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Be patient. So how about the number? Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 8 in this row? The 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. Same with the 5. Alright. How about the number 4 in this row? 4 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 4 should be here. Can I do this with the... Yes, in the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here already a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then... 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are in this big square the 2, the 3, and the 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 there. So in this box, we cannot place a 3, cannot place a 6. So one digit left should be the 2. So here we have 2 numbers left. 6 and the 3, 6 and the 3. That means the other 2 numbers in this row, 6 and the 3, are the numbers 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. I cannot continue with the 9. Need also to wait. Just like the numbers 8, 5 and the 9. We need to wait. So, 1 and 3. 1, 3, and 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How about the number? We have here 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 4, the 5, and the number 6. 6 is missing. I see here a 4 and a 5, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. One number left should be the 6, so we have here the 4 and the 5, 4 and a 5 as a pair. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. How about the number 8, 1, 2. Here we have a 4. I need to think. 4, 4. So in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. So the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so in column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the row below. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and the 3. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 3, 1, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. A lot of 1, 2, and 3 are missing. Here we need a 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. All right. How about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing. 8 is missing. Yeah, we have an 8 here in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or could be there. Look, we have already an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there. Then the 1 and the 9 are left in this row. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5. And how about the 9? 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. And look, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 3 and 5, 1, 3 and 5, 1, 3 and 5. The 4, I can continue with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 In the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the next column, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. And we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 number left in this column should be the 5. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 5? I believe here 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. The second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here. No, I made a mistake. The 1 and the 3, yes. I cannot fill the shit. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. How about these 2, 2 and the 3? 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 1, 2 and 3. We have a 3 here in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left now. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Then the 1 and the 3 are missing. 1, 2, and 1 number left in this column should be the number 2. 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. 1, 2 and the 3. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. This is a 2, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this last row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, I have moved the camera. Apologies. 18 minutes. Alright. I'm very pleased because for 4 stars, if it's really 4 stars, I need I think more than 30 minutes. So 18 minutes, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this episode. I will see you the next time with the additional of today's newspaper. I think 5 or 6 Sudokus. So take care, stay healthy, keep on puzzling, and see you next time. Bye bye.